Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Tyler Carroll and I will be your artist today. Okay, no script in this video. We're going to wing it like we always have. Okay, so in this painting right here, it's on 1/2 inch MDF. I make my own rounds like this, and pretty soon I'm going to be bringing them to market. I just, I bevel the edges right here or radius them, and then I tape off the back. So this one, I don't know if I'm done with it yet. I'm probably going to flood coat it, and I might do some other stuff to it. But just figured I'd bring it in and make a quick little video on it. It has some rich gold in it from Art Tree Creations, one of the metal powders. Some Panama Rose from Art Tree Creations. And then a neon pigment paste, a pink one. That this is Sherry Cruz's old pigments that I got a long time ago from her. So made it into a paste, and then I used it to tint this painting right here. So Villa likes this one, so figured I'd make a video on it. Used a heat gun in it, and then just Pro Marine Supply resin. The thing that I'm figuring out on these rounds right now, and kind of what I'm experimenting with a little bit, is I'm adding, like my old formula, I'm adding a couple ounces to it to get it in here on top of it, and then it seems to me like it's creating better cells and better lacing. So it's just something I'm playing around with right now. But yeah, this came out real pretty. I like this one. We'll put some stills and stuff in here. But first off, let's get going. You guys can watch the painting. Okay. All right. Okay. So in this painting, it's Pro Marine Supply resin. This is a 22-inch round MDF on 1/2 inch MDF. It should only take about 18 ounces of resin, but I stuffed in about 20 ounces just because I'm trying some new techniques with it. So I added a little bit of extra to it, This tint right here, this is Sherry Cruz's neon pink, and I just made it into a paste, you guys, so that's kind of all that I did to it. Just rubbing it in with my hand. I don't use any tools or anything special like that. And then around the outer edge is aluminum tape. It's a HVAC tape. And I'll talk about that, more towards the end of the video or whatnot. But yeah, right now I'm just popping the bubbles. Mixed the part A and part B for 5 minutes, 10 ounces of each Pro Marine. And then, tinted it. So used enough of the resin to tint it. What else? Okay, and then the other color in here is going to be Panama Rose. And then I'm also going to be using some rich gold. And then I just move this stuff around with a heat gun, you guys. I just skip all the Panama Rose over the top of the tent, just try to heat it up and skip it a little bit. And that's kind of how I created all these cells and lacing with this. So just a little bit of heat and a push with it, and you'll see some awesome effects. So push it pretty far here. That's got to be, the better half of the painting, which is, it's pretty cool. And then I just, go as far as I want and just let it set and settle. I don't keep, I don't keep heating it, a whole lot with the heat gun. I just move it around and kind of get stuff where I want it at and play around. So I like to have fun and play around on this stuff, you guys. That's just kind of me, and it's what I like to do. So that's what I do in these videos sometimes. Okay. All right. The rich gold should be coming up here in just a minute. And all I do is just put a little, thick line right through the center of the painting, right there in the middle of the focal point. So I thought it looked good in there in the middle as a focal point, and that's what I did. I just, went whoop and just poured it right on there. So right now, starting out, this isn't a bad looking single layer painting right now. I might just flood coat this and call it done. I might add some stuff to it. I don't know, but just messing around and playing around here, having fun. Okay, and then just heating the rich gold up and letting it leaf and do its thing. So I cut the aluminum tape with a razor knife, and I pull it off, and then I just let the resin drip right over the sides. So that's kind of what I do here in a little bit. This one, the aluminum tape did leak a little bit on the side over there. You can see it coming out on the right-hand side, but it still held a lot of the resin and everything. So okay, all right, just thought I'd throw that in the video. Okay. All right, so this thing's pretty much done. Here's an inside light flyover. That's a dime right there, and then that's a penny. The camera doesn't like the neon too much, but I just put the dime and the penny in there just to kind of show you guys how big the cells were and everything like that. And then I tried to zoom in here on the lacing so you guys could see all the lacing. Pretty close color combination, so that's, messes with the camera a little bit, and so does the neon. It's so bright. But yeah, so there you go. That's an inside flyover, and then here's a little bit of an outside flyover right here. It is a bright, bright painting, you guys, and it's a very, very pretty painting. Uh, like I said, it messes with the camera a little bit. That is the rich golden there. I do have that back in stock. It'll be on the website, and then also that Panama Rose, and then I just messaged Sherry Cruz and she said just to send her a private message, and she still has some of the neon in stock, so she can ship some of that out to you guys. Okay, there's an outside photo right there. Just turned it a different way. You can kind of see how that rich gold catches the sun. There's some of the lacing right like that. You can kind of see the depth and everything to it. That's just more of it. The camera didn't really pick up the Panama Rose in that one. And here's a little macro of it right there. Just a little macro shot of a close up of the rich gold. There's another shot of the painting right there. And here is another one coming up of the cells and lacing. Oh, look at that. That is awesome looking. So, okay. All right. I'll be coming back here on camera in just a second. Here we go. Okay. So, this is the end of the painting. Kind of go over some stuff. I use aluminum tape like this. I found I like it better than like green tape, because if you bump it with a torch or something like that, it doesn't catch on fire. If it does, you just kind of burn the adhesive on it a little bit. Nothing too bad. That's kind of why I've gone to aluminum tape and not green. You guys know I like to heat stuff up and make effects, so it's just me. I've been trying this mask right here from a company called Nasum. It's a really good mask. I've got it listed on my website under safety supplies and stuff. I think I got the thing off of Amazon for like, I don't know, it was under 50 bucks back in the day, like a couple months ago. But I think they bumped it up now. I think it's like 60 or 70 now. But still, it's a good price for a full face mask. And the 3M filters do fit it. I put my 3M ones on here. So what else? Oh, heat guns listed on the website. All the art tree creation products are listed on the Resin Colors website, and a lot of the stuff that I use from Amazon is listed on the Resin Colors website. So check it out, you guys. Yeah, if you need some of this neon, Sherry Cruz just said send her a direct message. I'll link Sherry Cruz's Facebook profile in the description below. I'll copy and paste it somehow and put it in there. And yeah, so okay. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I know I'm cracking up and laughing a lot, but I appreciate everybody, and thanks a lot for watching. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Okay. I'll keep coming out with some of these videos here soon. Make sure you check out my website, and I'll be having some friends join me here soon, and we're going to have a good old time. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll put some other videos up here in the cards. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.